Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tricky World. So in today's video we will be looking at two very important functions of Power BI DAX, which is all versus all selected. So we will see what both are and what is the difference exactly in both the functions. So let's get started. On the screen we have Power BI application open, and already I have imported the data, sample data, where we have 6 columns. We have one table report. So here we have date, region, name, item, units and unit cost. So I will take example of units. As we know, measures we use specifically where we have values in the column. So I will choose units column. I will summarize units column by creating a measure, and we will see what exactly is the application of all versus all selected. So I will go there, I will create a new measure. So first I will put all measure. So I will start with the calculate function. I will sum up the entire column units, and as a filter I will use all. So all, it's asking table name or column name for, so I will pick entire table name for now, and that's our first measure. Same way I will create second measure. I will copy the same measure, and instead of all I will put all selected. So here all as, and here all selected. Entire table. Yeah. So now these two measures we have created, and the filter in calculate function we have parameter for filter. So for filter parameter we have applied all selected and all. So we will see what is the impact now. I will add a matrix. I will put region. So one, I will put units. So the units is normal, that particular column which I have added here. Now secondly I will add all measure, and then I will put all selected measure. So you will see all measure and all selected measure, it's giving the total. So what exactly these two measures are doing, the particular statement which we have written up there, all and all selected, those are ignoring this filter context which we have here in this table. If I remove region from here, result would be same because we do not have any filter context. But if I will add here one filter of region, so these two are ignoring. So both are same as far as filter context is concerned. The only difference would be external filters. For example, here if I add one slicer and I put here region, so if I select from here any filter, in all selected it's considering this filter, but in all it is not considering this filter. That is the main difference of all and all selected measure. So wherever we have such requirement that we need total of column ignoring any filter which you might have applied, we can use all. And in case there is a requirement that we need a total amount, all filters needs to be ignored except the external filters which are coming out of report. Then we can choose all selected. So that is a very minor but important difference in both the functions, all versus all selected. So that's for today's video. Thank you for watching Tricky World.